Way out there is my little autonomous boat, struggling against the wind, bobbing in the waves. It's doing about probably less than 2 knots. I've got it at a low throttle, so it can run for a long time out here. And we're just sitting here. Here's the transmitter. Ground station is a little bit hard to see because of the sun. There we are, doing 1 point something knots. We've been running for almost 32 minutes. And look at our instrument panel. This might look a little bit like an airplane panel. You can see the artificial horizon shows the boat bouncing around in the waves. We're doing about, again, like 2 knots. Top speed is not 80 knots on this thing. Top speed is maybe 4 to 5 knots. We're about halfway through our battery. And yeah, the altimeter is not too exciting. It's been just pegged at 900 feet this whole time. This gauge here is maybe the most interesting. It shows our heading bug right at the top, that little bug-shaped thing. And then we're holding the direction of the boat right there, and that takes us around the route. And that's about it. I just plugged in a funny route here. Let's see if we can see that a little bit. It shows we're doing about 2 knots downwind. And here's all our numbers. And the little boat is out there. Oh, you probably cannot see that very well, but there may be some loons out there.